Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Jane.
And I'm Chris, and you have officially found the English Speaking Practice Podcast.
Your new favorite spot to level up your English speaking skills.
Today, we're starting right at the beginning.
The most important part of any conversation.
Greetings.
Greetings are an essential part of communication in any language.
They are the first words we say when we meet someone, and they can set the tone for the entire conversation.
So, let's begin. We're breaking down the common ways to say hello, what people really mean when they ask, "How are you?" and how to sound natural, not like a robot.
Let's start with the simplest ways to greet anyone, anywhere.
Number 1, hello.
Number 2, hi.
And 3, hey.
We use hello anytime and with anyone.
Hi is friendly and informal, used with anyone and at any time in casual conversations.
And hey is very casual, used with friends only.
For example, hello, Chris.
Hi, Jane.
See, that was easy. Hi is used with friends, family, or people your age. These 3 are some of the most basic and common greetings used. But Chris, do you know that there are more greetings in English?
Yes, of course.
In English, there are formal and informal greetings, and it's important to know when to use each one. Let's start with formal greetings. Formal greetings are used in professional settings, when showing respect to someone, at formal gatherings, and when talking to someone for the first time.
For example, how are you? It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good to see you. How are you doing? It's lovely to meet you.
Let's practice how we should respond to these greetings. Chris, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, to our listeners, listen carefully and follow along. Chris, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing okay. Thank you for asking.
When you meet someone new, you can say, "It's a pleasure to meet you."
And they'll respond, "It's a pleasure to meet you too."
Or you can use, "I'm pleased to meet you."
And they'll respond, "I'm pleased to meet you too."
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
It's lovely to meet you.
It's lovely to meet you too.
Well done. Now, if you want to be a bit more specific, we use time-based greetings.
These greetings change depending on the time of day. Good morning, used from sunrise to noon or when first meeting someone in the morning.
Good afternoon, used from noon to sunset, or until around 5 or 6 p.m.
And good evening, used from sunset around 5 or 6 p.m. until bedtime.
Note, good night is typically a farewell. It's like saying goodbye. It is not an opening greeting.
When someone greets you with good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, you should respond with the same greeting. For example, good morning, and you respond, good morning.
Tip for beginners. You can drop the good and just say morning with a nice smile. It sounds very natural. Try it right now. Say morning.
When an English speaker asks, "How are you?" most of the time they are not asking for a long, detailed life story.
It's often just a polite greeting, like saying hello. So you need a quick, simple answer. There are 3 easy replies you can use.
Chris, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
This is the most common in everyday conversations.
The next one is, how are you?
I'm great. How about you?
You can use this in friendly, informal settings.
The third way you can respond is, how are you?
Not bad, thanks.
You can use this to mean you are just okay and when you don't want to complain.
The most important part? Always ask back. If Chris says, how are you? I must say, I'm great, thanks. And you? This keeps the conversation flowing.
It is also important to use appropriate titles when addressing someone in a business setting.
For example, if you are addressing someone with a higher rank or position, you should use their title and last name.
For example, "Good morning, Mr. Smith."
In academic settings, it's important to use a teacher's or professor's title and last name when greeting them.
For example, "Good morning, Miss Jane."
Note, Miss is used for an unmarried woman, and Mrs. is used for a married woman.
Ms. can be used when you don't know whether she is married or not. It is a polite, neutral option. And Mr. is used for men.
However, the most important thing is to use the title that the person prefers.
Teachers and professors will often introduce themselves at the beginning of class and tell you how to address them. Pay attention and use that title. For example, "Hello, I'm Miss Jane and I'll be your English teacher."
When you meet someone famous, important, or highly respected, we use more formal and polite greetings to show respect.
One very polite phrase is, "It's an honor to meet you."
This means that you feel happy, proud, and lucky to meet that person.
For example, "It's an honor to meet you, Mr. President." Or, "It's an honor to meet you, Professor Kim. I've read all your books."
If someone says, "It's an honor to meet you," you can reply politely with, "The honor is mine."
However, don't use this phrase in everyday situations. If you're meeting a friend, classmate, or coworker, it sounds too formal. In those cases, say, "Nice to meet you," or "Good to meet you."
Okay, let's move from the classroom to the coffee shop. We'll use informal greetings.
Informal greetings are used in casual settings, among friends, family, classmates, or acquaintances. These are the casual phrases you will hear all the time. They help you sound friendly, relaxed, and natural. Use these with friends.
For example, "What's up?"
This is super common, meaning, "Hello, what's new?"
"Hey man." "Hey guys."
This is a very informal, friendly hello.
You can also use, "How's it going?" or "Hey there," or "Long time no see."
If someone says, "What's up?" you have a super easy response. You can just say, "Not much." For example, "Hey Chris, what's up?"
"Not much, Jane. What about you?"
"Nothing special, just filming."
See? Simple and natural. Now, Jane, do we end the lesson here?
We still have a small part left to fully cover greetings in English.
Oh, okay. What could that be?
Well, greetings are not only about words. We often have gestures and expressions that go along with the greetings. For example, handshakes.
Ah,
Handshakes are a common, polite way to greet someone you're meeting for the first time or in formal settings, like in job interviews, meetings, and so forth.
with strangers, teachers, co-workers, or in professional settings.
A handshake should be firm but gentle and done with a smile and eye contact.
Hugging. A hug is a friendly, warm greeting between people who know each other well.
With friends, family members, or close colleagues.
Note, don't hug strangers unless you're sure it's appropriate in that situation.
The other is waving.
Waving is a casual, friendly greeting or goodbye.
Waves are used from a distance or in informal settings.
Smiling.
Smiling is a universal sign of friendliness and politeness.
Always smile when saying hello. It helps others feel comfortable.
Eye contact.
Eye contact shows confidence and respect during greetings.
Look at the person's face, but do not stare, especially in formal settings.
Different countries have different ways of greeting. In English-speaking countries, people usually shake hands or say hello with a smile.
In other countries, people may bow, kiss on the cheek, or hug. Always pay attention to what others do. That shows respect.
All right, future English speakers, Now you know different ways to greet people.
We would like to give you guys a small challenge. Use these greetings every day. It helps you practice and get better. Say good morning to someone and see how they reply.
Thank you so much for joining us on the first episode of the English Speaking Practice Podcast.
If you liked this, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
Next time, we'll talk about introducing yourself.
How exciting!
That's it from us. See you in our next lesson.